What's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you can't tell, I'm not in my New Jersey apartment. I'm actually home in Texas for the holidays. It's currently December 21st, Saturday. But today I'm filming a really exciting video. I'm going back to work at the bakery I worked at in high school, and I'm gonna work there for a day, So you guys get to see like how I learned how to do so many crazy cakes and stuff. I'll introduce you to the bakery owner whenever I get there, but they're the best. They're so fun. They're like family to me. But it's 7:50 in the morning. I just got done working out and now I'm gonna shower, change. My shift starts at 9, so I have to be on time. So let's get ready. I'm all shaven. Whoosh, now I'm showered and cleaned. We're about to have to head out in here in 7 minutes because I'm gonna be late if not. I'm packing my whole backpack because I already know I'm gonna get bored like mid-shift, and I'm gonna have to sit and take a little work break. Work break as in do my other work. Wait, I'm so excited. This is gonna be so fun. You guys don't even understand. I left my charger for my camera in New Jersey, so the only charger I have is this little short chode. Okay, you're not hooking up to a wall, but I'm bringing you. I think I have everything I want, need. And if not, I'll just leave. No, that's bad worker integrity. Let's go. I'm going to make money to support this family.
Drive.
You think this house is free, girl? No.
Drive so carefully.
Thank you. Okay, there it is. We're here. You guys, we're here. I'm about to go in for my shift. 8:58, 2 minutes to spare because I'm on time or whatever. Oh my God, wait, I'm so excited. You guys are about to see a little sneak peek of my childhood life. And driving over here gave me nostalgia because my parents don't live over here anymore. So it was like coming back to my roots. Ugh, here we go. Hello, welcome in.
Hello. Welcome to Moonlight Cakes.
Thank you.
Where your sweet dreams will be made.
Where sweet dreams are made. This is Susan.
Hi everyone.
She runs Moonlight Cakes, the queen behind the empire. Susan's helping customers, so I'm gonna give you a tour of the bakery. We'll start at the back. Back here is the kitchen where the baking gets done. See, okay, we got cookies, we got all the stuff. So that's where I used to do dishes, right there. All the time, I would sneak away to the back because I didn't want to help customers. So I'd be sitting there for like 2 hours. They'd have to come pull me out of the back. But anyway, the ovens are, oh, we got cupcakes in the oven. Okay, period. Yeah, this room has, this is like all the cake dummies and stuff for boxes, orders, everything else. Let's turn the lights off, save energy. Okay, then over here is our dry storage, we would call it. Where's the light? Over here. Okay, this is dry storage. So this is where like all the dry goods get stored. Cake pans galore. Cambros over here. Bathroom, I used to always clean that. And then this is the consultation room. Cake consultations here. You get the point. Then 2 fridges here. Then this is like the cake decorating room where Susan and I used to sit right here and we would decorate cakes all day right here. Like that's kind of where the front of house works. Like the cupcakes get decorated up there, cakes are back here. And this is all like the sprinkle. I'm so excited. Like this is like, I love this place. That they like taught me so much. This is all the stuff for cake pops. Oh, there's a customer. This is where cupcakes get frosted right here. Susan's such a queen. And then these are like the fridges for orders, cake pop, freezer. She needs me to go bring cupcakes out of the oven. So let's do that. We can bring them up. Oh, slay. He's a baker. I have your cupcakes, Susan.
Thank you. Hi, thank you. Good job.
Yes.
You remembered how to do that.
I did. I didn't turn the oven off though.
That's okay.
Okay. We're going to get cookies from a baker's rack that we need to bring to the front to restock the case. This one?
Yeah, chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip cookies. Yum.
Like me trying to get in my jeans. It's a tight squeeze, man.
Unscathed.
Yay.
Oh, we're gonna ice cupcakes.
Did you want to ice or?
Not yet.
Not yet. I saw that you were like baking a little bit. I'm so happy.
I know. I'm finally like at a point where
It's the Blushing Bride. And I've got more. I just took some more out of the oven, so. That in the summer. It is so good. So, are you dating anybody?
Girl, I'm gonna be single for life.
Sorry, I didn't.
No, that's okay.
You don't want to put up with that?
I got so many stories.
Just, I mean.
I just got a.
Okay.
Okay, these are red velvet. Yum. Cream cheese frosting. Okay, we're putting cookies out so that customers can munch. Do I need to wipe this down?
Sure. I think it's funny when you said, I might actually wash dishes.
I might actually wash dishes. Well, no, like I used to always run back there to get away from people.
Did you really wash dishes?
I just went back there.
Okay, that's what I thought. Steve and I were talking.
And you guys would come back like 2 hours later and I'd be back there and you'd be like, how many more do we have? I'd be like, all of them.
I love your cat.
We're getting a cake for an order, a pickup. Now you guys know where I learned to decorate. Beautiful. Okay, now Susan's gonna prepare me to help the next customer. Whenever I worked here, I didn't really like, did I ever know the pricing of stuff?
Well, you never help customers.
I know.
You hid in the kitchen and made cakes.
I hid in the kitchen, I made cakes, and anytime a customer came in, I would go back and say, somebody's got that.
Yeah.
So what are the prices?
Okay, so the cupcakes are $4.25 each.
Okay.
If they get in quantities of 6,
Okay.
then they're discounted to $4 each.
So it's $16 for 6.
No, it'd be 24. Okay, math is hard for some people.
Oh, okay, so 24.
24 for 6, 48 for 12.
Okay, and $4.25 if they're below 6.
Yes,
Okay.
$4.25 each.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cookies?
Cookies are $2.75. The crinkles, which we had the chocolate peppermint and the gingerbread crinkle, are $3.25. And there's no
$3.25,
discount.
$2.75, no discount.
No discount
Take
on
it or
those.
leave it. Okay.
Cake pops are $3 each.
Okay.
No
Oh yeah,
discount.
they have these cake pops. They taste really good, but I would never make them.
No,
I would
never would. Never would.
They were so tedious and such like they were a pain in the ass.
So you're probably saying, what did he do?
I ran this shit.
He felt like he was the owner. And he did what he wanted to do, but he was always busy. We're not sure doing what, but yes.
Okay, so cake pops are what?
$3 each.
Okay. So let's pretend you're a customer and you
Okay.
walk in and I'll help you.
Okay.
Hello? Oh, wait, I wasn't ready. I was charging.
Ready?
Go back out.
Okay.
Hello, welcome to Moonlight Cakes. How are you today?
I'm wonderful.
Amazing. What can I get for you?
Well, I don't know. So how much are the cupcakes?
$4.25 a piece.
Okay. Do you have any discounts?
If you get 6 cupcakes, they're down to $4.
Oh, good deal. What about the cookies?
Cookies are
Like this
$2.70.
gingerbread, is it good?
It's I haven't tried it because I'm on a diet, but I've heard it's amazing.
Okay.
It's $3.25 for that one, and then these are $2.75.
Okay. Oh, what's your favorite?
My favorite cupcake, it's PB and Fudge.
Of course, we're sold out.
We're out of it. That's really good.
Okay.
Or this
Double trouble.
double trouble is really good.
Yeah. Okay. So let me get a double trouble.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it. Let me get that for you.
Okay.
Do you want a cookie?
No, I don't want a cookie.
What'd you get? Double trouble.
Double trouble.
That's gonna be $4.25.
Well, it go
What?
up here where it says here to go.
Oh.
Slide it.
Oh,
Yep.
slide.
To go. Okay.
Okay.
Now it should say.
Now it's $4.25.
Okay.
It's like, hold on. Okay.
Awesome.
Charge.
Do y'all take Apple Pay?
Do we?
Yeah.
We do.
We do.
We do take Apple Pay.
Yes, we do.
We do.
Okay.
And then it should ask you if you want to tip me.
Huh? No, it doesn't.
Oh, it doesn't
We
ask
don't
me
have
to
tipping.
Oh, I would totally do it.
I know you would.
I would like put my Venmo on the
We have no tipping.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Okay, thank you.
Would you mind putting it back in
Yeah.
case? Thank you. So I just helped the customer, my first one of the day, and likely my last. It's not for me. I was never a front-facing person. There was this one lady I got in an argument with her cake about. Do you know which cake I'm about to talk about? The A&M cake.
Oh, yes, yes.
This lady tested me.
She said it was brown.
She said the cake was brown. I said, no ma'am, that's maroon. I said, no ma'am, that's maroon. It's brown. Well, can somebody else? And then you came out, and I said, I can't do this, and I
Yeah.
left.
And then I said it's maroon, and she was like, okay.
Yeah, and then you said it's maroon, but a guy says it's maroon.
Yeah.
Here we
I've got
go.
that, and then I've got an 8-inch chocolate in the
I'm gonna decorate 2 cakes in a minute. Okay, which one are we? Which one?
getting this
Oh,
one.
that one's pretty. Stunning. Happy birthday. Good work, Susan. I love that one. Okay, we got another cake. Ooh, wait, this one's pretty. Look, it's like little Christmas trees. Susan slayed. Hashtag slayed Susan. Or no, Susan slayed. We're not slaying you.
Okay.
We're keeping you alive, girl.
Thank you.
Of course. Anytime. I'm decorating a cake that she has to be
was
decorating.
A trip for need green. Oh, you found
I
green.
found it.
And you know where the tips are.
Yeah.
Steve's battery was bad, so he replaced the battery, and the last time he came, it didn't work. So we just had to punch in the code.
Hey Jake, good seeing you. Merry Christmas to you and wish you well in all your ventures.
Yeah, at all. At all.
Susan shows me no sympathy, ever.
Okay, y'all be careful, Dad.
That's a pretty border.
You know, I cannot do a shell border.
But girl, I can.
I know.
Right?
I know.
Susan, tell him who's teaching you how to do a shell border right now.
Jake is teaching me.
Susan taught me everything else though. I could barely write on a cake before I got here.
Yeah.
Gigi's cupcakes didn't help me do that.
I know, but you can write now. Can't
girl,
you?
I can
Well,
write.
I'm gonna judge you.
Well, I'm not doing it right now.
Oh, okay.
I'll do it later. I'll bring it to you when it's done. I'm not
Okay.
doing it in front of you.
No. I
When
wanna
Susan
I wanna
watches
be
you
I
decorate,
want to be judgmental.
when Susan watches me decorate a cake, it's like if Hawkeye's just staring at you the whole time, and it's the most stressful thing ever. And she has like this little like, you could just tell by her eyes, and I'd be like, what?
I'm very judgmental.
We would be like here doing cakes. You'd be sipping your QT coffee, and I'd look up, and you'd be like, what? And you'd be like, nothing. There's something. Anyway.
It's Christmas again!
This is the cake. It says Merry Christmas. Isn't she pretty? Anyway, I'm gonna go do dishes now. Because Susan asked me to do dishes. I said, yes, ma'am. I'm here to do dishes.
Okay. Do you remember how to do?
Not at all.
Okay.
I remember you have to.
Wash. There's your sponge. Then you put them in here, rinse them, and then you put them in there to sanitize.
Guys, I used to be back here for hours.
Not working.
Because they would make me do all their dishes. So back in the day, they tried to make me make icings.
Oh, that was hilarious. That was one day.
One day.
So first of all, it's very messy to make icing because powdered sugar goes everywhere. So we told Jake, wear old tennis shoes. And what does Jake do, being Jake? Everything he's got on is brand new and nice. So that's how he started out. And then he did it, and he never offered to do it again.
You were back? I was back there here for like 3 hours.
Yeah,
Like,
oh my gosh.
Working.
Working 3 hours in a row, that's bad. That's tough.
That's like.
That's like child
Illegal.
labor. Yeah, illegal.
Wait, Susan, where? Oh, okay. It was like they were having me do my like job.
Imagine that.
Wasn't for me, so I went back up to the front.
You didn't.
No, I didn't. I don't know where I went. I would always volunteer to take out the trash though, because the trash is like a good 2-minute walk, and I could easily make that walk 5 minutes. I was a good employee, you guys. Let's go back to the front. Guys, I've been here almost 11 hours. Susan hasn't fed me once. She said I can't touch anything in the case.
Cupcakes, that's it. That's all I got for you.
She said
Oh, I have Quest chips and peppermint.
she has
That's
Quest
it.
chips and peppermints. One thing I would never do is answer a phone.
No, you didn't answer the phone.
If the phone rang, I would run away. My shift is over, right?
It is.
I'm able to head home. I did my
You can
dishes.
clock out.
I'll clock out, walk out. But thank you, Susan, for letting
You're
me
welcome.
come back.
Wonderful to
Yes.
y'all come see us.
Come see us, and then if you ever need to travel anywhere, Susan will book your travel too. You want to tell them about that?
Yes, I am a travel agent and I do all types of travel nationwide. I do it international, so you just give me a call, Susan@vacationeer.com, and I will hook you up.
I'll link it below, but you guys always wonder like who does my travel. It's Susan. My former employer is now my travel agent as well. All right, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, follow me on everything else. I love you guys. And I don't know, I think the next video is a Christmas Day vlog by the time this is posted. Yeah, a Christmas Day vlog. I love you, bye. Mwah. Wait, you guys. Okay, so this is like the front of the house. I made this cake, by the way, that's up there on display. Just take a moment to see how pretty it is. I did it, all on my own.